The emergency calls only message on your AT&T phone means your device can only make calls to 911. This happens when your phone can't connect to the AT&T network for regular calls and data due to various reasons like network issues, SIM card problems, or billing issues. While frustrating, it's a safety feature to ensure you can still reach emergency services. We'll explore why this happens and what AT&T has done to fix it. From 2022 through 2025, many AT&T customers frequently encountered the emergency calls only message. The widespread issues stemmed from multiple interconnected factors that affected AT&T's network infrastructure. One major cause was software glitches within AT&T's network infrastructure. These glitches were particularly problematic during handovers between LTE and 5G networks, where the system incorrectly triggered the emergency calls only mode due to signaling errors. Another significant factor was defective or outdated SIM cards. These cards sometimes failed to properly authenticate with the network, leading to authentication failures that resulted in the emergency calls only message appearing on users' devices. These problems were further exacerbated by the complexities arising from AT&T's 2021 merger with T-Mobile. Integrating different network infrastructures and spectrum holdings created additional challenges that impacted the overall reliability of AT&T's systems. To address the widespread eco issues, AT&T implemented several key solutions. First, they rolled out over-the-air software updates for both Android and iOS devices in 2024. These updates specifically targeted and fixed bugs in the LTE to 5G handover process. The handover process involves devices switching between LTE and 5G networks smoothly. Bugs in this process cause devices to lose authentication, triggering eco mode. The OTA updates patched these software issues automatically. Additionally, AT&T launched a comprehensive SIM card replacement program, replacing over 50 million SIMs at no cost to affected customers. This resolved authentication problems from outdated or faulty SIM cards. As of March 2026, the emergency calls only message appears much less frequently across AT&T's network. The software updates and SIM card replacements have resolved a vast majority of the issues that affected millions of subscribers. Currently, less than 0.5% of AT&T subscribers experience the eco message, a significant drop from the 5 to 10% peak in 2023. AT&T actively monitors its network and provides self-service diagnostics to quickly address any remaining issues. Looking ahead, AT&T is leveraging artificial intelligence to predict and prevent network problems before they affect users. By analyzing over 1 billion network events daily, AI tools can identify potential emergency calls-only triggers and address them proactively. Machine learning models process this massive data stream in real time, detecting patterns that might lead to connectivity issues. This AI system, developed through AT&T's partnership with IBM, has already reduced false positives by 60%. This represents a significant improvement in network reliability and user experience. Looking to the future, AT&T aims for zero-tolerance emergency calls-only incidents through fully autonomous network healing, where AI reroutes traffic and updates devices seamlessly. Much like smart traffic systems monitor and adjust flow in real time, AI will ensure network reliability for all users. If you encounter the emergency calls only message on your AT&T device, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to restore normal service. First, perform a power cycle. Turn your device off completely, wait about 30 seconds to allow the system to reset, then turn it back on. This often resolves temporary software glitches that cause the emergency calls only mode. Next, toggle airplane mode. Go to your control center, enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your device to reconnect to the network and can fix signal-related issues. Third, verify your account status. Go to AT&T's website or use the My AT&T app to check that your account is in good standing, with no unpaid bills or service suspensions that might trigger the emergency calls only mode. Finally, if these steps don't resolve the issue, contact AT&T customer support. They can provide advanced diagnostics and may need to replace your SIM card or address network-side problems. Legal and regulatory repercussions followed AT&T's handling of the emergency calls only issues. Due to delayed disclosures about the extent of the problems, the FCC imposed a $10 million fine in 2025. This fine resulted in stricter reporting requirements for all major carriers, ensuring better transparency in the future. In addition, class action lawsuits filed in 2023 were resolved in 2026. These settlements provided refunds to affected users and required AT&T to offer free SIM card replacements. These legal and regulatory actions highlight the critical need for transparency and accountability in maintaining network reliability. The industry trend is moving towards more resilient and user-centric networks. AT&T aims for near-zero ECO incidents through autonomous network healing. Factors like climate change may still cause sporadic outages, prompting investments in satellite-backed redundancy. Ultimately, the goal is to provide a seamless and reliable connectivity experience for all users.